Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, where we're gonna showcase a bunch of Tacomas for you. Here at 88, we do work on all vehicle makes and models, but for some reason, a lot of Tacoma guys and all the Toyota trucks love to come here. As you can see, we know these trucks like the back of our hand and we work on a ton of them, all day, every day. We're gonna start off with these here. These are a few third generation Tacomas. This right here is a Lunar Rock TRD Off-Road 4x4. This one's going with a King suspension setup. King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks all around with Camburg upper control arms and a Deaver add-a-leaf system. This black Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4 is going with a set of Elevate upper control arms on the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series coilovers and shocks. The Mickey Thompson Baja Boss AT that you see right here has been very popular. If you want a set for your vehicle, give us a call, reach out to us, and schedule an appointment to get a set for your vehicle now. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in beautiful, sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. We're about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, reach out to us by phone anytime during regular business hours, or you can message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. Are you not local to us, but still want to take advantage of the good deals and great products that we do carry? Check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have 2 warehouses on the block, fully stocked with lift kits and all of the accessories that you desire. We have lift kits that are pre-packaged, pre-assembled, and most of the time pre-adjusted for the perfect lift height, exactly like you see them on our YouTube channel. This Lunar Rock Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4 is now complete. New wheels and tires have been installed, which are the Method MR701 bead grip wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset that we wrapped in a 285/7017 Mickey Thompson Baja Boss AT tire. It's time to roll this one out and do a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to the customer. Next up is this Army Green TRD Sport Tacoma. This one's going with a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSC, coilovers, and shocks all around with some Deaver add-a-leaf and a Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arm setup. Wheel and tire of choice here are the KMC GRS's. In a 17 by 8.5 with the 0 offset, we installed a 285/7017 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tire on them. Subscribe. SES is a direct-to-consumer brand. We don't carry them here, but we're more than happy to help you install them and do all the modifications like the body mount shop that we're doing here to clear these for you. Here's a 17 by 9 -38 wheel with a 285/7017 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO3 tire. We're doing a body mount shop here, as you can see, to clear them. For the suspension setup on this one, we went ahead and installed a Bilstein 6112 setup up front with some SPC ball joint upper control arms. The rear's got the Deaver add-a-leaf with a 5160 shock. Here's another Lunar Rock Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4 that we just installed a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSC, coilovers, and shock setup on. We also used some Camburg Kinetic Series billet uniball upper control arms on it with the Deaver add-a-leaf system in the rear. For the wheels and tires on this one, we went with some 17 by 8.5 0 offset RRW RR7V simulated beadlock flowform wheels. We wrapped it up in a 285/7017 tire. Alright, on to the next one. We have another 3rd generation Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4 coming in for a lift setup with wheels and tires. And we're also bringing in a new 4th generation Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This 4th gen is going with a set of Westcott Designs preload collar lift. We're going to be installing some Method MR705 bead grip wheels on this one and some 285/7517 Falcon Wild Peak AT4Ws. As our technicians prep the 3rd generation Tacoma for the Fox upgrade, the 4th generation Tacoma is getting staged on the rack safely. Here at 88 Rotors, we calibrate our balancing machines bi-weekly to ensure that all of the wheels and tires that go through our shop are balanced correctly so they keep you from vibrating on and off-road. And here's a close-up of the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSC, coilovers, and shocks on the 3rd gen Tacoma. And here's some slight trimming to clear the 285/7517 on MR705 wheels on the 4th gen Tacoma with the Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. Here's a Westcott Designs rock slider with top plates that can double as steps. for this 3rd generation Toyota Tacoma that we're installing. Back over to the white 3rd gen Tacoma, we just installed some rear taillights and headlights. Don't forget, here at 88 Rotors, we stock headlights for all of the popular Toyota trucks. From Alpha Rex to Morimoto, we have them all in stock and ready to go. These are definitely one of my favorite wheels right now. The RRW RR7V Flowform wheels with the matte black face and the gloss black simulated beadlock ring. Here are the Westcott rock sliders installed on the 3rd gen Lunar Rock Tacoma. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. And if you like our content here and don't want to miss any of our future videos, just hit that subscribe button. It won't interfere with the video that you're watching right now. Are you new to the truck game and don't want to spend too much money just yet? Well, here's a good package and option for you. The best bang for the buck option, as we call it, is the Bilstein 5100 setup that you see here. We paired up with a OME lift spring in the front, SPC upper control arms, and a Deaver add-a-leaf system in the rear. To top it off for this specific truck here, we installed a set of TRD Pro wheels in a 17x7 size with a +4 offset. Tire of choice is a 285/7017 BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2. This right here is a great way for you to get your feet wet in the truck game. This is enough for you to hit some fire roads, go off, enjoy a little bit of off-road fun, and have a good time without breaking the bank. And when you want to upgrade at a later time, when you feel like it's necessary, some of the components can be reused, such as the upper control arms and the add-a-leaf. All you have to do is get new coilovers and shocks later, and you'll be good to go. Next up, we have this magnetic gray metallic 3rd generation Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. This one is in for a new King suspension setup. We're going with the King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks all around, with some Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms and a Deaver add-a-leaf system in the rear. To get some better looking wheels on here, we went with some Method MR703 bead grips. This allows you to air down a little bit more than the standard wheel. And we wrapped this one up in a 285/7017 BF Goodrich All-Terrain KO2. Here we have it. Suspension has been installed along with the new wheels and tires. Custom alignment has been performed, and we did a fine tune of the caster just to make sure everything is clearing correctly as well. We're going to bring that one out for a quick test drive while we work on this white Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4 that's also getting a King suspension setup. Same Camburg upper control arms and the same Deaver add-a-leaf system as the TRD Pro that we just did. Let's see how this Tacoma TRD Pro looks outside in the sun. Over to the white 3rd gen. We're wrapping up the suspension install on this one as well. This one right here is sticking with the factory wheels for now since the customer is not yet ready to upgrade to a larger wheel and tire. But when he's ready to do so, he can clear a 33-inch tire easily, or with a little bit more modifications, a 34 or even a 35. It's just a tad bit more work to get that done. Next up, we have a 2025 Tacoma TRD Sport. This one's in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. We always have the Westcott Designs preload collar lift kits for all trims of the 4th generation Toyota Tacoma. With the lift kit installed, we can easily clear some 285/7517 tires, which we did right here with a set of Method MR305 double blacks in a 17x8.5 size with a positive 25 offset. One's a wrap, so we're going to bring it out for a quick test drive. We hope you guys enjoyed today's content. All the Tacoma trucks here have been modified at 88 Rotors in Baldwin Park. If you're looking to get some work done by us, don't forget, just reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description below. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't done yet, make sure to turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Thank you for your continued support. This one right here is a King setup with Camburg Kinetic King Blue upper control arms with a Deaver add-a-leaf. We did a body mount chop on it to clear some 17x8.5 -12 wheels from our RW with some 285/7017 Yokohama Geolander G003 MT tires. And that's a wrap, guys. Until next time, take care.